Fyjo Molly, 非洲的茉莉 Subscribe. Well done.
Hello everyone. Today is a really sunny day. Look how beautiful it is in Johannesburg. So later today I'm going to visit a Zimbabwe friend of mine. She's going to cook for me and also show me some traditional Zimbabwe culture. I'm very excited. Also, I've skipped my breakfast for this. I'm really hungry. So let's go. Hi Florence, how are you?
Good, and you?
Good. Oh, nice meeting you. Okay.
So this is where we live.
Hello, how are you? Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, this is where we do our washing. Yeah.
Oh, she's falling asleep.
Yeah.
Hello. So look, Florence, she has her own garden, grows all these organic vegetables. What are those?
That one is spinach.
Spinach.
Organic one.
Ah,
That one is the
see?
spinach one.
She has a good life here. She has her own organic food.
Avocado trees here.
This is avocado, look. This is peach.
They're very sweet.
Here, even tomatoes. Huge tomatoes.
already ripe like this one.
Yeah.
Can come in.
Ta-da!
Yeah.
Hello, nice meeting you. Nice meeting you, Julia.
I'm going to make the beef stew.
Yeah.
That our traditional beef
Yeah.
stew. So
From Zimbabwe.
from Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
So it's just beef stew, the one that I've made with a little bit of
Okay.
vegetables
so
in the
these are
cave.
done.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then this one is the dried version of the vegetables with peanut butter inside. So now I'm going to make the pap.
Okay.
So
Oh,
you
it
just-
smells so good already
Yeah.
when she opens the lid. This is
So-
merely the powder.
From maize. Take a scoop first,
Yeah.
and then put this in
Yeah.
so that it doesn't get lumpy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So
Did you
just-
make it yourself?
Yeah, I'm making it myself. So
Wow.
you like kind of do this, and then you kind of
Ah.
can you see? Add a little bit.
Eh,
Yeah. So just repeat the same process.
make the soup thick.
Yeah. This is like the porridge. So just make sure there are no lumps inside.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why I'm keeping doing this. And then you put back on the lid. Yeah, this is like our traditional pots in Zimbabwe. We use the stone ones.
Yeah.
So we're just going to make it. I'll show you when it starts like cooking.
Yeah.
Then we close the lid for about 5 or so minutes.
Yeah.
And then we'll continue.
A few moments later.
Back to the cooking.
So you see now it's kind of thickened like this. We keep adding the milk. So
Yeah.
we change
Yeah.
this
Yeah.
and we now use this one. So it needs patience
Yeah.
because it takes a bit of some time mixing it. This is like our staple food.
Oh
Like,
yeah.
people eat this every day.
Every single day.
Yeah,
It's
every
like
single
our
day.
rice.
Yeah. So yeah, you just see how thick
Yeah.
you want it.
Yeah.
So as for me, I like it this thick. And then reduce the heat
Yeah.
because we don't want to burn it. Low heat. And then close it. So just put like a little bit like this. And then just kind of shake it a little far like this to make a little circle.
Ah.
Yeah. So you put it like this, so everybody is there. So you have to keep putting water, it doesn't
Yeah.
stick.
Ah.
Yeah. So it's like this. Yeah. So yeah.
They look really cute. Very tempting.
Yeah.
So this is how.
Now we sit.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we do like this, washing them. Each one to wash each other like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see. Because you eat with hands.
Yeah, because we
cool.
eat with hands.
Yeah.
Nokutenda imani nokuti vakupamberi kwedu nokutenda nokutichengeta pamunoita. Amen. Yeah.
Amen.
And then we eat.
The chef gets the first bite.
So this one is kind of tricky. That's why I brought some extra plates.
Yeah.
Because you have to make a hole like this. Yeah. So you get it in like this. You see? And
okay.
then you go like this. Yeah.
Okay, you go.
Yeah. That is how we eat it. That is too small.
Too small, okay. So I have to pick a big one.
Yeah.
It's kind of sticky.
Yeah.
So it stick on my fingers.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Like this? Yeah. Yeah.
And then you dip it in.
Like this?
Yeah. Yes.
Very good. This is very healthy vegetable, but you really do have to have the taste for it because the consistency is a bit like glue. But it's really tasty. In China, we cook the whole thing
Yeah.
because the pond is like this big,
Yes.
and we steam it and we dip into soy sauce and we eat like that.
You just dip it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. You're not supposed to eat with this hand, right?
The left hand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
So the left hand is like, yeah, just,
dirty one.
yeah.
Is that true?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So dirty things you do with this hand.
Yeah. Just like this.
Okay. So this is a bowl, and I'm going to. This is the beef. I'm going to pick the beef. Oh, okay. To eat with the bowl. I like that we're sharing the food. It's the same like us in China. We always share food. So Florence is getting ready for our drinks.
Put it on the sun.
Yeah.
I'll show you whenever it's ready to get.
So this is a Zimbabwe traditional drink. What is drink called?
Maheo.
Maheo.
Yeah.
So we are going to drink maheo.
Yeah.
Homemade maheo.
Yes. So,
Okay. So it's the same as pap, but this one is fermented.
yeah. So you just pour it in the cup. So mine, I'm just going to add
Okay.
a little bit of sugar. Try it.
Okay. Cheers. This one is sour and sweet. It tastes exactly like the restaurant we have in China.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is really, I love restaurant.
You can either chill it, have it chilled.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this one is very, very good for you, right?
Yeah,
Because
it is.
this one is
Yeah.
fermented. Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good for the bacteria in the
Yes.
guts. Yeah. Look at that. How cute is that? Hello. Okay, now we come to Florence's living room. This is how it looks inside. This is your daughter?
I was 4 years.
Okay.
Yeah, with my stepmom.
Yeah,
That one that
yeah.
passed away. And this is my dad.
Okay.
Yeah.
In Zimbabwe?
Yeah, in
This one.
Zimbabwe. This is me and my son.
Oh, look how cute.
Yeah. Yeah, this is me. So these ones, the boys are my nephews.
Yeah.
The girls are my niece.
Yeah. This is where the photo album is, hanging on the wall. So see, this is Bollywood on TV. Do you like Bollywood drama?
Yeah. I don't ever watch it.
Do you like when they dance, the Bollywood dance?
Yeah.
Okay, do you know the moves? Here it comes.